I was blown away after my second procedure. It took about 6 months for me to start seeing the results, and after at that point, it was life-changing. I felt like I was my old self again. I felt like I was in my 20s, and I'm looking forward to, after this procedure, to getting even more fuller and thicker density and hair. So it's been an amazing experience overall. I chose this clinic because of reviews initially. I was doing a lot of research online. I also lived in San Diego at the time, and so it was very close. But the reviews about Dr. Cortez and his team overall convinced me that this was the clinic that I was going to come to. The first visit was excellent. Everybody was professional. The procedure was seamless. The second procedure was even better because I knew what to go through. I knew the staff, the people that were working with me here were incredible as always, and it just seemed very comfortable. Coming here, seeing the facility, meeting the doctors, getting the consultation, going through the procedure, it is incredibly seamless. It's painless, and overall, it's been the best choice that I've made. It's been a great experience. The consistency and the quality of the results, this is my third time, so it's been, every single time it's been the best, and it's been getting better and better over time, my experience. Again, I come in, I feel comfortable, I relaxed, all my questions are answered, and I feel at home. I had accepted my fate initially. I accepted that I was going bald, and it wasn't until I started researching and reviewing about FUE and the processes available now, and luckily there was HMR here that was very close to where I lived at the time, and so I decided to take the leap and get the procedure. Prior to that, I felt like I was going to be bald forever, and now I feel like completely like $1 million. For anybody who's considering getting a hair transplant, do it. It's life-changing. I was on the fence and I decided to go through with it, and I'm happier than ever.